Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can do about factorization in here. Next, about this one, I can put into s minus 3 to the power of 2 everything to the power of 2. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to s minus 3 to the power of 2. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have number 2 multiplied by s minus 3 dx. Number 6, we can put into number 3 multiplied by number 2. So we see that this one, that is about u. 2s minus 3 dx, we change by du. The integration of this one, we have number 3 arctan of u. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.